I'm Yukta Mathur. Welcome to Color of English. So, in this lesson, you can learn about nouns as well as kinds of noun. So, what is a noun? Basically, noun is a word used as a name of a person, place, or thing. For example, Radhika is going on a world tour. Here, Radhika is the name of a person. Paris is the capital of France. Here, Paris and France, they both are the name of a place. Walnuts are on sale today. Here, walnuts is the name of a thing. So, these all are nouns. Now, our next topic is kinds of noun. Basically, there are 4 kinds of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and abstract noun. Further, we will also discuss about countable and uncountable nouns. So, proper noun. Proper noun is the name of some particular person or thing. For example, Riya is my best friend. Here, Riya is the name of a person. Agra is situated on the banks of river Yamuna. Here, Agra and Yamuna is the name of some particular place. So, these both are proper noun. Now, next is common noun. It is the name given in common to every person or thing of same class. For example, I want a new pair of shorts. Here, shorts is a common noun. You broke my favorite mug. Here, mug is a common noun. It is a common name given to a thing. Now, next is collective noun. It is a name given to a collection of person or thing taken together as whole. For example, she shuffled the deck of cards. Here, the deck of cards is a collection of cards. The crowd cheered the team. Here, the crowd and the team, they both are collective nouns, as the crowd is a collection of people and the team is a collection of players. So these are known as collective nouns. Now next is abstract noun. It is the name of a quality, action, or state. For example, this is your greatness. Honesty is the best policy. Here, greatness and honesty, these both are qualities. So these are called abstract nouns. Now, another classification of noun is whether they are countable or uncountable. Countable nouns. These are the name of a person or objects that we can count. For example, table, chair, book, pen. These all are the things which we can count. So these are countable nouns. Next is uncountable noun. It is the name of things which we cannot count. For example, milk, sugar, happiness. These are the things which we cannot count on numbers. So these are uncountable nouns. Please note that countable nouns may have plural forms like tables, chairs, books, pens, but uncountable nouns cannot have plural forms, like we cannot say milks or sugars. Also, that uncountable nouns cannot be used with a or n, like we cannot say he gave me an advice. That is wrong sentence. Instead, we must say he gave me some advice. That is the correct sentence. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Soon we will come up with our new videos. So please like, share and subscribe this channel.